Hello, my name is Carl Morris and I am Head of North Shropshire College. I would just like to take this opportunity to welcome you to our new way of doing open events and school liaison work. You should consider North Shropshire College because we are a small, friendly college which has a range of courses to suit everybody's needs, whether that is on our agricultural farm based at Walford or at our Oswestry campus where we do a range of courses from plumbing to electrical to health and social care, etc. On the majority of our courses we have a range of levels that students can study at, ranging from foundation through to level 4 in some cases. Most students start at level 1 and work their way through unless their GCSE results are of a sufficient standard where they may be able to jump straight into level 3 courses, which are traditionally equivalent to A-levels at other colleges. All of our students at North Shropshire College go on to a positive career path, whether that is at university, getting a job or even an apprenticeship in the field that they have studied while at us. We run quite a unique timetable at North Shropshire College where students come into college on 2 or 3 days of the week depending on their study programme. We've done this in order to allow students to get work experience, to do practical jobs or to do their driving lessons or anything else they need to do in their free time. So we've really condensed the timetable around a 3-day model where possible. We have a range of specialist facilities depending on the course that you do, whether that is specialist workshops for plumbing and electrical, hair salons for hair and beauty, or our farm at Walford where we obviously have a working farm for our agricultural students, a really big animal care unit with lots of very exotic animals that you can work with if you're doing animal care. We obviously have our equine centre where you can work with a range of different horses in order to develop your equine skills and your riding skills. We have spent a huge amount of money recently on the renovations of our campuses in North Shropshire. For example, at Walford we have a brand new refectory, new teaching spaces, and at Oswestry we have again spent a huge amount of money upgrading the facilities so that all of our teaching spaces are state-of-the-art and very, very modern. We are very lucky to run a football scholarship programme with TNS Football Club. That is for aspiring footballers or people who want to work in the football industry. Most of our students on that programme study a BTEC in sport, but alongside that they do coaching sessions and playing competitive matches for TNS Football Club with the view, hopefully, that they may get a professional contract at the end of that with the first team who play in the League of Wales. At North Shropshire College we have an accommodation block at our Walford campus which is open to all of our students whether you study at Oswestry or Walford. Again, if you're interested in that you need to contact us prior to starting your programmes in September so that we can arrange for you to view the accommodation and to work out how it all works out for you. But we do have a lot of students who stay with us during the academic year, during the college week, so that they can continue their studies, especially if they're travelling from a long distance away. The atmosphere for the students at North Shropshire College is very laid back. We are very serious when we're in the lessons and we work really, really hard. We have to do that because of our timetable being so condensed and quite busy. But in and around that, the students have lots of leisure facilities and lots of time to socialise in a small, friendly environment. I hope you find the information in this video really helpful. If you do have any other questions you'd like to ask, please contact the college and we will do our best to get back to you with the right answer as quickly as possible. Thank you and goodbye.
Each student aged 16 to 18 has a study programme specifically tailored to meet their educational needs and career aspirations. It consists of the main chosen qualification as well as further development of maths, English and employability skills. Its aim is to improve young people's career prospects and also widen options for higher level study. All full-time students aged 16 to 18 will study English and Maths as part of their studies. This will be either GCSE or functional skills, depending on prior GCSE grades and initial assessment. Those students who have already achieved sufficient grades will be supported through a programme of directed studies. Maths and English skills and the ability to apply them are both highly valued by universities and employers alike. Many universities now accept a level 2 functional skill in Maths and English as recognised qualifications, which carry UCAS points. This is a government-driven initiative, fully supported by the college. Each full-time student will also participate in work experience, as well as activities designed to develop the skills and confidence required for their progression. Those students who aren't able to study for a substantial vocational qualification, for instance if they have complex learning needs, will study a programme to develop their employability skills. This might also include some work experience. We offer courses across a range of levels, from entry level for foundation studies all the way up to higher education. You can enter courses at the level to suit you, and many of our students go on to study at a degree level or gain employment in their chosen careers. In the past academic year, 26% of our students moved on to employment, 7% into apprenticeships, and 58% have continued on further educational courses. You might already know what you want to do when you leave college, or you might not. Either way, we have a dedicated learner progression advisor who can assist you on your career path. Accessing local education and training can often be a challenge for some of our young people due to the high cost of travel in a rural area. We have decided to offer subsidised travel on all routes for the 2021 academic year to enable the young people of North Shropshire to access education and training at their local college. Travel remains free on all routes where students are eligible for travel bursary. Our college is committed to providing transport for all our students each day from pick-up points near and far. At both campuses there is a bicycle parking shelter. If you are considering cycling into college, please make sure that you are safe to do so with proper helmet and safety equipment. If you live in Wales, Powys County Council may assist with the cost of the bus pass. Visit the North Shropshire College website for more information on travel and transport assistance. When you start college, a team of people will be available to support you. Your personal tutors are there to help and ensure you are on track with your course, arrange careers guidance, and offer advice with any college queries you may have. The Student Services team and learning mentors can guide and support you with any academic or personal issues you may have, as well as offer advice on student finance or accommodation concerns. If you are a young carer, a care leaver, or have looked after child status, you will also get the support of a pastoral mentor. If you need to talk to someone privately about issues inside or outside of college, we offer a free, confidential mentoring and counselling service. The additional learning support team in Student Services is available if you need any extra help because you have special education needs or a disability. You may have an education, health and care plan, a moving on plan, or you may have a specific learning difficulty or disability. The support team can meet you, discuss your needs, and plan what will work best for you alongside your course team. Our ALS team has experience and understanding of the needs of young people on the autistic spectrum, mental health needs, dyslexia, dyspraxia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, students with hearing loss, visually impaired students, mobility difficulties, and a range of other needs, including medical conditions. Walford campus has student accommodation available. This is for students who would find a daily commute very difficult due to distance or specific circumstances. Ensuite and shared facility rooms are available and costs can be paid in instalments. They may also be funded by the 16 to 18 or 19 plus bursaries. See our website for more information. North Shropshire College also offers students the opportunity to study an A-level alongside their main qualification. This is to enhance their learning and widen their aspirations. A-levels will be delivered at the Oswestry campus, but they are also available to Walford-based students. The idea is that the A-level can complement the main qualification and help with future employment prospects and university applications. A-levels can be studied in the following subjects: biology, English language, environmental science, film studies, mathematics, and psychology. What is an apprenticeship? An apprenticeship is a paid job with an accompanying skills development programme, which allows the apprentice to gain technical knowledge and real practical experience through a mixture of learning in the workplace, formal off-the-job training, and the opportunity to practice and embed new skills in a real work context. So not only will you gain valuable experience, you will also be learning and earning at the same time. Apprenticeships have been designed by employers to meet employers' needs for a particular sector or job role. Each apprenticeship defines the skills, knowledge, behaviours and formal qualifications that the apprentice will need to acquire in order to become competent in their chosen field and to be awarded the status of a fully qualified apprentice. Apprenticeships are nationally recognised as a fantastic pathway into the career of your choice, and the college's training provider, County Training, now offers apprenticeships in almost all industries, covering areas such as business skills, early years, hospitality, hairdressing, health and social care, plumbing and electrical, agriculture, motor vehicle and horticulture. For more details on apprenticeships, please check out the County Training website. Through County Training, we also offer Traineeships and the 16 to 18 advanced course. Traineeships are for 16 to 24-year-olds, offering a structured work placement with an employer, lasting between 6 weeks and 6 months. The placement is unpaid, however you could receive money towards travel costs. The content will be related to your individual needs in order for you to develop the skills for employment. A traineeship gives you the opportunity to demonstrate that you're an asset to a business and provides you with a reference to use when applying for jobs in the future. The 16 to 18 advanced course is based around developing your employability skills to support you in progressing into employment or further education. You will study a qualification in employability skills alongside your Maths and English. In addition to this, you will have a key worker who will support you in finding a suitable work experience placement for the duration of your course. The course content is individualised and based on the goals that you want to achieve. County Training has bases at various locations across Shropshire, including Oswestry, Shrewsbury, Whitchurch, Telford and Ludlow, as well as a base in Hereford. It is likely that your course will be at your nearest base. Our Oswestry campus features state-of-the-art classrooms, workshops, customer-facing salons and restaurant. We offer a wide variety of vocational courses at Oswestry, including access to HE, applied science, beauty therapy, business, childcare and early years, computing and IT, creative media, art, electrical installation, hairdressing, health and social care, hospitality and catering, massage therapies, plumbing, public services, sport, travel and tourism, and the TNS Football Scholarship. The Walford campus is home to our Landbased Courses. The campus features its own farm and animal care unit. The courses on offer at Walford include agriculture, animal care, equine studies, foundation studies, land and wildlife management, and motor vehicle.
The variety of animals and all the different courses that we do here, and a lot of colleges won't have some of the animals that we have here.
It is just, this college just seems much more different just because of the fact that you have a much better relationship with all the teachers and everyone is just very kind and very caring.
My favourite part of electrical is I like doing the practical. Yeah, so making wiring circuits and that.
Because it's such a small college as such, you get that homely feeling. I definitely think you get that homely feeling, whereas places around this area of Oswestry, it's a bigger college, so definitely it's a bit like you meet new people every day, whereas North Shropshire College, you see everyone you know and you speak to everyone you know, and it's just a great to be around with. The environment's brilliant, yeah.
I think being in college is better than being in school, and the transition, it wasn't that bad.
If you would like to apply for one of these courses or to find out more information about them, you can come to one of our open events, look at one of our prospectuses, or visit the website for more information. If you go to our YouTube channel, we have a virtual open event where you can find out more information about the various courses on offer.